Thank you, Right Honorable Speaker. The Speaker of the House of Nigerian People, Right Honorable Tajuddin Abbas Ian Zozo. Mr. Speaker, honorable members, I rise by name as Honorable Alhassan Ado Doguwa, representing the good, the bad, and the ugly people of Doguwa Tudunwada Federal Constituency in this respected assembly.
So are they bad and ugly?
Oh, absolutely, sir.
Oh, really?
Absolutely, sir.
What is the percentage?
There is no two way about it, Mr. Speaker.
What is the percentage of the good against the bad and the ugly?
That I will get the right statistics and get to you, sir. Mr. Speaker, honorable members, I am the Sardauna of Rano in Kano State. Mr. Speaker, I am the Barden Saminaka in Kaduna State. Mr. Speaker, today I am the Gado Damasu of Uke in Karu local government of Nasarawa State.
Wonderful.
Mr. Speaker,
I'm counting 3 already.
I am Damburam of Bukuyum in Zamfara State.
That's the 4th one.
Mr. Speaker, honorable members, I am respectively also Dalatun Kangiwa in Kebbi State. And to cap it all today, Mr. Speaker, by the opening, by your window, by your grace, I am also graciously turbaned in a very highly celebrated occasion as the Sardauna of the Hausa Kingdom around the globe.
Does that
I am the Sardauna of Kasar Hausa Metuta.
Does that title cover the whole of Plateau, including Wase?
It covers every Hausa-speaking community,
including Wase local government,
including Zaria, which is a Hausa Bakwai. Mr. Speaker, including Zaria Zazzau, which is a Hausa Bakwai by history, including Kano, where Madaki comes from, which is Hausa Bakwai.
No more questions.
I am the Sardauna of the Hausa Kingdom by the grace of His Highness, the Emir of Daura, His Highness Umar Farouk. Come this way because I want to actually assert my traditional authority and to let people know that I am a man of integrity. Mr. Speaker, honorable members, I thank you for giving me this opportunity. My attention, and I've realized my attention has also been drawn to a very viral video that went so viral in the Nigeria's media space. Mr. Speaker, this video, of course, to those who may not know the reasons behind it, sounded and appeared to be very strange. Mr. Speaker, I think I'm under moral obligation. I'm also under moral responsibility as a member of this great institution to provide some clarifications. Mr. Speaker, honorable members, I was in United Kingdom, London specifically, on an official assignment. I went to London, Mr. Speaker, along with some relevant government agencies on advocate to global oil operators to come and invest in Nigeria. It was a campaign outing on behalf of the Nigerian government. And I want to report to this House that the campaign was quite successful. We have been able to convince foreign and global investors that Nigeria is a safe haven for investment in the oil and gas sector. Mr. Speaker, most of the concerns investors had was that we have issues of legislation today, legislation tomorrow. And we were able to address them to understand that our legislation will always be in the national interest. And our legislation will be covered, most especially in the oil and gas sector, by the almighty PIA, the Petroleum Industry Act. Mr. Speaker, at the end of our official engagements, I decided to take it off onto a lighter mood. But beyond a lighter mood, Mr. Speaker, it was an action that was born out of a point of responsibility and protecting of my own political experience and my political position as a politician from my state. Mr. Speaker, I want to say on record that you all know that during the last elections, I came through a lot of stories, controversies, which were completely addressed through court processes. Today, I am bold to say that I don't stand any allegation of any case against anyone of whatever sort in any of the courts we have in Nigeria. I have my judgments right from the magistrate court to the state high court to a federal high court in Kano and to a federal high court in Abuja here and to the appeal court. I'm as clean as every Nigerian. But so unfortunately, Mr. Speaker, because one is unfortunately coming from a state where politics is being played with bitterness, where politics is being played with a lot of anger, a lot of enmity, where politics sometimes is taken as a matter of do or die. Some people, and some of them in authority, public offices, went and conspired with some group of unprofessional lawyers in my state, only to carry petitions, Mr. Speaker, carried petitions to all of the foreign agencies, all foreign embassies in Nigeria, placing me in bad light and requesting foreign embassies in Nigeria not to allow me entry into their countries, not to allow me go on official assignment, not to allow me go even on holidays. They took this petition to all of the foreign agencies. Mr. Speaker, this is sad. If beyond local politics, someone will get out of his way to take a petition only to tarnish my image, my innocent image, to foreign embassies. Mr. Speaker, you can all understand from the disposition I was coming from. It was so boggart, it was so bored, and I was also touched. So in my own understanding, Mr. Speaker, and of course, as someone who has the experience of communication, I want to say without overemphasis that I am a graduate of mass communications with a first-class degree, and I also have a master's degree in public relations. And with this background, Nigerian people and my colleagues here should know I can have my own way, strategy, or approach to send signals. And it was for this reason, Mr. Speaker, when I had the opportunity to travel to Dubai, United Arab Emirates, only last week, I sent some signals. When I now got this opportunity to travel to United Kingdom, in London, of course, I was in London not for the first time. I have been in London for over 10, 15 times. I can remember only last 2 years I was in London with His Excellency, the former Deputy Speaker. I was in London with him. I can also remember 2, 3 years back, I was also in London, and I jammed my former Deputy Speaker, Rabiu Konkoso. I met with him in London airport. He saw me. But this one became special, Mr. Speaker, because I had to give it back to my detractors. I wanted to do it in such a sarcastic way to let them know, oh, here is Doguwa in London. Here is Doguwa who has succeeded in beating down his detractors, no matter how high they would want to beat. And Mr. Speaker, I want to say without any fear of contradiction, that out of moral conviction and out of attempt to actually defend the integrity of myself and this institution, and also the integrity of my family, I have decided to take this matter to court for this attempt, even for the attempt, mere attempt to indict or to malign my name in the face of the world. This is something that is unacceptable. I know those who are behind it. I have their names. Some of them are lawyers, and I will take them up with the relevant agencies of lawyers that are in charge of discipline unprofessional lawyers. And those of them who are in politics will go to court. I will not allow this campaign of calumny to continue. So on a last note, on a final note, Mr. Speaker, honorable members, this is what I have to tell you because I believe all of you were concerned. So many of you were worried. Oh, is it the Doguwa we know? Why behaving this way? Why doing this way? Why saying this? Why doing that? I was all doing that because politics is local. And I felt I can only get at them
Leader,
that
you
kind
have
of
made your
actions
point.
and its actions.
Thank you so
and to
much.
put it straight, my actions in London, my respected colleagues, they were not spontaneous.
You have made your point very clear.
My actions were not spontaneous.
And members
my actions were
and the
not
general
coincidental.
public
My actions
well
were not
enlightened.
ruthless actions. It was a deliberate action to hit at my detractors, and I got them right.